Whoa, stop. Here's my hack for staying safe and protected on the roads. Road Angel, the award-winning company that provides the finest dash cams, speed monitors, audio systems, and car accessories, setting a new standard for quality, reliability, and customization. Introducing the Road Angel HaloGO, a marvel of engineering designed to be as powerful as it's compact. This isn't just another dash cam. With its sleek design, the HaloGO is discreet yet vigilant, blending seamlessly into your driving experience without ever getting in the way. Its rotatable lens and hidden wiring captures the road in stunning full HD, all while being super easy to use. But the HaloGO isn't just about looks. Connected to your smartphone via built-in Wi-Fi for a real-time video preview. In the event of an accident, you're just a few taps away from downloading that crucial footage you need sometimes. And with features like a 140 wide-angle lens and parking protection mode, 1080p HD loop recording, the HaloGO ensures that every detail is crystal clear, day or night, moved or parked. This isn't your normal dash cam, guys. Trust me. Road Angel HaloGO, because when it comes to safety and peace of mind on the road, you shouldn't have anything less. Come on, guys, be safe on them roads and get yours now.